Good morning, students. Let us start our today's class, and this will be the last class for your this chapter. And the class is of application of logic gates. If there is time in this video, I will discuss, or I will make you able to design some more gates which we were designing in our previous video lecture. But if we are going to have the time. Okay, the next topic is applications of logic gates, and in this logic gates we are going to have adders, encoder, decoder. Since you are in class 11, you are not having encoder and decoder, sorry, you are in class 11, so encoder and decoder are not in your syllabus. It is, I think, in class 12. We are going to have only adders, half adder and full adder. So we'll discuss about these two only. But encoder is what? Decoder is what? Some messages are there, we are encoding in our coding languages, and the decoder to whom we are sending, that is going to be that person, or that system is going to decode that software or whatever the message we passed. Okay. So here the topic is adder. Adder is what? Adder is basically works on ALU, arithmetical logical unit, and arithmetical logical unit always performs on ones and zeros. There is nothing more than that. And we are having two types of technique. The first one is half adder and the second one is full adder. In half adder what happens? There is 2 bits only, and in 2 bits there is one sum and one carry, and in full adders we are having 3 bits, in which we are using XOR operator, AND operator and OR operator. How we are using, what is the truth table for this, we are going to study in this part. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let us start the first topic, that is half adder. Half adder. Half adder. Here, as I said, we are having sum and carry. Suppose x and y, or a and b, my two circuits, then it should be a binary sum of b, and carry will be a dot b. A dot b. If I explain it, then it must be a bar b, sorry, a bar b, a bar b, and if it is binary sum, then it should be plus a b bar. Okay, this is solve operator. Truth table, I explained about it, but one more time I am making it for your memory only. Suppose A, B, two circuits are there, and we have to perform A binary sum of B. Then in that case, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The first one will be 0, last one will be 0, and the new one will be 1. As I told you before, in XOR operator what happens? If both conditions are true, then also false. If both condition is false, then also false. So there is one condition must be true, then only we will get a true value. And if we have to design a half adder, so we have to design it like that. A, B. Two circuits are there. Then after that, yes, this is the way. Then after that, this has to be crossed by a XOR operator. You can write over here. So it should be A binary sum of B. Clear? And as I said, it is my sum. Now carry also have to be taken out. And for carry what we have to do? This. This has to be caused by AND operator. And this is my carry. Okay. You have to write. So this is the circuit for half adder. One thing I want to tell you all, that whatever I am teaching or whatever I have taught already, you all have to make notes of that chapter. Keep in mind, you all have to make notes for that. Because if you are not going to make the notes, then at the time of board examination, the full book reading is, I think, next to impossible. So make notes that will give you better performance to read the book, and use your book also to make your notes. Whatever the important points you think that it has to be in your notes copy, you will write it. And question answers you have to solve. One more time I am telling, question answers you have to solve by your own. Okay. So this is the circuit for half adder. Now, if I say that now we have to make the circuit for full adder, then how we will make? Let us see. As I said, the full adder works on 3 bits. So let us design circuit for 3 bits. Okay. Here also we are learning sum as well as carry. So A binary sum of B binary sum of C. This is my XOR operation. Okay, and carry must be AB plus BC plus AC. This will be my carry. If you want to break it, you just break it. How? A bar, B bar, C. First A bar, B bar, plus, sorry, A bar, B bar, C. Then plus sign. Afterwards, A bar, B, C bar, plus A, B bar, C. And the last one will be ABC. Yes. ABC. A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C bar plus ABC bar plus ABC. This will be my circuit. Got it? Now, truth table I have already made for 3. So you can write here. So let. So let. You still require the truth table, then again I can write or again I can make. Let's see. minus 1 of C. Same situation. What you have to write? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. So this will be your situation. So now see, this situation we have to form. That means we have to go through with this situation. And with this situation, at this point, we get what? 1 as the result. As these points, we will get a 1 value. Now see how. This is 0, that means this will give you a 0. No problem. Now see, A bar, that means 0 becomes 1. B bar, 0 becomes 1. And C, then 1, 1, 1. It should be 1. Up. Next, A bar means you can check out for all the situations. You will get a positive result from here. This is my situation. A bar, B bar, C. Clear? Next one is, again you can see a 1 over here. How? See, A bar 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it should be A bar, B, C bar. Got it? Next, after you will get a 0, then after a 1, then after 0. So this one is 0, this one is 1, then 0, 0 and 1. This is my condition A, B, C, and this one is A, B bar, C. That means these are the positions where we are going to get the value 1 in full adder truth table. Now, the circuits or the circuit for the full adder. A, B, C. Okay. Then this. This table you can match with your book also. Okay. Go and study this table from book also. You will get the same table. Okay. I cannot change anything in that because that is theory. Now, cross, just cross it. And this is your XOR operation. So you just make a XOR operator. Since I told my drawing is very poor, the thing is always repeating. This is XOR. Here you will get A plus B plus C with a binary sign. Okay. Next, we have to take out 3 AND operator, and after that it has to be passed out by a OR operator. Then we get this thing. Okay. In the first one, what it is? A bar, B bar, C, A. Sorry, we have to take out the 3 AND operator. And in 3 AND operator, first of all, we should have to take AB. A, B. This is my A into B. Then after that, and B into C. And the last one, what it is? And A into C. So these 3 AND operators has to be afterwards taken out by a OR operator. So this is my what? Carry. Carry is what? AB plus BC plus AC. This is my sum. And this structure belongs to full AND. So here we have completed our second chapter with all the explanations and with all the examples solved. Now, as I told you before, if we are going to have time, then we will solve some more problems. But I think this video is much bigger now, and you all have to work on the exercises as well as the examples as well as solve examples, and practice at home. Be safe, don't roam here and there. Okay, God bless you all.